Hi boys, welcome back to another Chumash lesson. Boys, we are holding in Parak Yud Bet, Pasuk Yud Bet of Parshat Lech Lecha. So far, what we have been seeing so far in this Parsha, the storyline has been really scary. Avram gets to Eretz Israel, Eretz Canaan, from Haran, and there's no land, no food, no water, no nothing. And he leaves the land and he says, okay, let's go. He passes the test, goes to Mitzrayim, he goes to Egypt. He gets to Egypt, and as he's about to enter the border, before he walks inside the land of Egypt, he realized, Sarai, you're really pretty. Why was that a problem? As we know, great job, Moshe, David Shlomo, it was a problem. Why, Yehuda? Good job. It was a problem because she was really pretty. The Paro would want to marry her. He would marry all the pretty ladies. And if the guards saw, oh my gosh, what a pretty lady this is, they would want that she would marry Paro. And what would they do with the husband? Yeah, good. You're saying good? Beautiful. They would kill the husband, and then the lady would marry Paro. So the pasuk what we're talking about right now, pasuk Yud Bet, the question is as follows. I want to ask you, why was Avram so worried? We just explained the answer. I kind of gave you a hint. But why was Avram worried? Beautiful. As we just said, Avram was worried because then they would take Sarai, they would kill Avram, and then she would marry Paro. Then second question I want to ask all of you boys, listen up, pay attention. Are you paying attention? Good job. What should Avram do to make sure that Sarai would not be taken by the guards? One more time. Are you listening, Yonatan? Are you listening? Beautiful job. Simcha? Yeah, nice. What should Avram do to make sure that Sarai is not going to be taken? Let's think about it. You got it? Okay, beautiful. The correct answer, what you're thinking, if you're thinking, great. If you got that answer, awesome job. The answer is, as we are going to see in this pasuk, Avram's going to tell Sarai, Sarai, my wife, what do we gotta do? He said, Sarai, please tell the Mitzrayim, tell the guards that really me and you are brother and sister. And if we're brother and sister, they're not going to kill me. Instead, they're going to take you and they're going to let me live. And you're going to save my life by telling them that we're really brother and sister. Come join me as we look inside this pasuk together. Here we go. 1, 2, finger on the place. Pasuk Yud Bet, finger on the place. Great job, Yonatan. Look inside. Asher, beautiful. Vehaya, and it will be ki yiru, because they will see. Beautiful yiru. Otach hamitzrim, they will see you. Who will see Sarai? The Egyptians. Beautiful. The guards. Ve'amru, and they will say, beautiful Moshe, ishto zot, this is his wife. Ve'hargu oti, and they will kill oti, me. Ve'hargu oti, and they will kill me. Ve'otach yechayu, and you they will let live, and they will let you live. Beautiful job. Why will they let Sarai live if they realize that Avram's her husband? Because Paro doesn't want the husband to be alive. He wants to kill the husband and then get married to the wife. But if Sarai tells the guards, he's really my brother, then they will let Avram live and they will save Avram's life. Okay, boys, here we go. Time for a trivia. Let's see who is listening.
Time for trivia?
Oh my gosh.
I think that's my cue. Rabbi Alon, do you mind if I join you a little
bit?
Take
it away, Rabbi.
Fantastic.
Wow, okay. What a surprise.
I was just wondering, Ma yomru hamitzrim kasher yiru et Sarai?
Wow, that's a great question. What's the translation? Simcha, you listening? What will the Egyptians say when they see Sarai? What will the Egyptians say? The correct answer is Hamitzrim yomru ishto zot. They will say, whose wife is this? Who's the husband of this lady? That was the first question. Second question, Rebbe, take it away.
Ma yasu hamitzrim le'Avram?
Oh no, what are they going to do? What are the Mitzrayim, the guards, going to do to Avram if they realize that they're husband and wife? Dun, 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 dun. And the correct answer is, what are they going to do when they realize HaMitzrim yahargu et Avram? The Mitzrayim will find Avram, take him, and kill him. Number 3, question numero 3. Take it away.
שעשו המצרים לשרי.
But what are they going to do? The Mitzrim to Sarai. What are they going to do to her? And the answer is Hamitzrim yichayu et Sarai. They're going to let Sarai live. And we know, boys, Moshe, we know what's the answer. They're going to take Sarai and Paro will marry her. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful trivia round. Thank you, Rebbe Bar. Until next time. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing day, boys. See you later. Have an amazing day, boys. We'll see you next time.